Hey, welcome to Seller Assistant app price and pricing review. In this video, we're going to talk about the price of Seller Assistant app, which is software for Amazon online arbitrage and wholesale. We're going to discuss their prices. We're going to share a nice discount for Seller Assistant app, which is going to be available in the description, as well as a free trial. And we're going to see what's possible. We can pay monthly, annually. We're going to see some add-ons that we can add. Yeah, we're going to discuss it. Also in the description, there is going to be a tutorial that shows you how to use Seller Assistant app from A to Z. And today with me, Oleg Kuzmenkov, the founder of Seller Assistant app. He's going to do a walkthrough of the price and pricing page and the add-ons. And welcome, man.
Hi, Vova. Thank you for inviting. In this video, I'll explain pricing model of Seller Assistant app. First of all, we have a monthly and annual billing. If you're going to be serious, you can choose annual billing and save a lot of money of your subscription costs. Also, we have two plans. One is a start plan and second one is pro. The difference is a number of products you can analyze per month. On the start plan, you have a limit of 3,500 products lookups per month. It means you can analyze products on Amazon product page 3,500 each month. In the pro plan, you have limit 10,000 products lookups per month. On every plan, you can buy extra lookups if you need, but it's also cheaper to upgrade to pro plan instead. Start plan allows you to connect up to 3 Google Sheets for export your product. And on pro plan, you have ability to connect up to 10 Google Sheets. Each plan allows you to install 3 extensions per your account. It means you can use your extension on 2 computers, for example, or 2 browsers if you have different profiles in your browser. And also Start Plan allows you to use Seller Assistant app on your account, but Pro Plan allows you to invite your virtual assistant. You can create extra sub-account for your employee. And on each plan, you can also buy add-ons and buy extra users. And as you can see, extra users goes with extra lookups and extra Google Sheets. So you can change this quantity to buy stuff you need in the bulk. You can connect as many users as you want. Also, you can buy only lookups like this.
So is it only per year? The look? Oh, you can also buy the monthly. So as I can see,
yeah, you can buy monthly and per year.
Perfect, man. So we're going to have, again, the free trial of Seller Assistant app in the description for people to try out, as well as a discount that's going to help people save money. So check it out. And a tutorial of A to Z usage of Seller Assistant app is also in the description, where we dive deep into each part with Oleg. It's about an hour-long tutorial, which is in-depth, goes through everything, and is going to help you get the most out of Seller Assistant app so you can hopefully grow your business well and thrive on Amazon with Amazon online arbitrage, wholesale. So yeah, man, thank you all. Unless there's anything else you want to add.
Yeah, guys, do not forget to follow the link Vova provided in the description. And also you can use a promo code. What is your promo code, Vova?
Let's call it Vova20, let's say.
Okay, or you can just apply promo code Vova20 on the subscription page.
Yeah, there's going to be a little window for that, so you can drop it there. However, if you go through the link, it's just going to automatically apply it, so it's going to be way easier, I guess. And I appreciate that. This is an affiliate link, means if you ever do business with Oleg and Seller Assistant app, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way, it's possible to support this free content that I've been creating here for a few good years. So thank you for that. And Oleg,
by the way, if you follow the link Vova provided, it actually saves your money. You will get a discount for your purchase.
Yeah, that's right. It ties the discount, kind of the code to the link. So yeah, save money and enjoy using Seller Assistant app. And Oleg, thank you for coming today.
Thank you.